What is good, everyone? Welcome to the channel. I got a couple of really fantastic pickups that I want to share with you. And the first is actually a pickup from sneakers. I got a W this week. Pretty happy about that. And the other one is, well, I paid resale on it, but it's a pretty special pair of shoes. It's a pretty special pickup, and I'm really happy that I got these as well. And I think you'll see why when I unbox it. And you've already, read the description of the video, so you know what's coming. But to start with, we're gonna go with the W that I got on sneakers and talk about this shoe first. And just one thing I want to point out quickly. In Japan, we still have the Nike swoosh, like Nike.com branding on the boxes. I was seeing some sneaker YouTubers in the US talking about how trouble with delivery drivers or other people swiping boxes and stealing shoes. Not a problem in Japan. Japan is a very low theft country. The things that are really stolen in Japan tend to be bicycles and umbrellas. I could go into a whole video about that in and of itself. But in Japan, no one's stealing shoes off people's porches, or delivery drivers are certainly not nicking anything either. So let's get into the pickup from sneakers. Put this one aside for the moment. Inside we have the black and red Jordan 1 box. And they are in my size, a size 10. 9.5, 10 is what I usually am able to wear. And these are none other than the yes, the Jordan 1 in the Bordeaux colorway. You here to check out the boxes? You like the shoes? Yeah, I love them too. They're pretty fantastic. So, okay. If you've watched my channel before, you know I was really big on the Japan colorways in 2020. First the gray joints, and then later the midnight navy ones. Color blocking on these immediately reminds me of the midnight navies, although materials wise jumps out at you right away that they're not the same thing. They don't have the nubuck, it's all leather everywhere. It's pretty decent tumbled leather, and comes with white laces here. On the inside we've got a burgundy lace on the inside with the burgundy Nike Air branding on the inside. Box for the cat. This is double Christmas. Shoes for me, box for him. It's all good. I know that there's not a lot of hype on these. I know that they weren't a particularly sought after shoe, but when I saw the colorway, I'm like, yeah, that's sold absolutely 100%. No doubt this was a pair of shoes that I wanted to get my hands on. And they did sell it on sneakers, but I managed to hit and get the W, so I'm pretty darn happy about that. They are different than the midnight navies and the Japans because, well, they had the sport laces on them. These laces are actually the flat laces than the normal, typical Jordan 1 laces. Another thing that stands out when you look at it is, even though it is similar to the Japan, the silver, or the midnight navy ones that came out last year, there is none of that Japan Jordan branding, because this is not a retro of those and it is not modeled after them. It's just the color blocking is reminiscent in terms of where the burgundy and white hits are and the silver swoosh on the side. Other than that though, this is just a classic Jordan 1 silhouette. I mean, it does have the jewel wings here, and I know some people are kind of split about that because they do tend to crack or become discolored after age sets in, but I'm probably going to wear these into the ground long before age is going to do anything to these wings here. These will definitely go right into the rotation. Okay, let's get into pair number 2. Okay, for these in particular, I have some information that will probably be helpful for those of you who are trying to cop either for yourself or for resale. I don't judge. But I got these for resale on Yahoo Auctions website, and there actually are quite a number of these on the market. I'm not going to lie. You might be surprised by this. You might not be surprised by this. But inside we have another red and black Nike box. Okay, so in the box there's a StockX tag. This person apparently ordered them and got them November 8th for $712, and that is accurate in terms of what I checked on StockX on my phone. That's about what they were going for on November 8th. However, there was a exclusive access that was granted to sneakers app users in Japan, and there are a lot of these on the market right now. To be perfectly honest, it dropped the price quite a bit. They are selling for just a little over $300 now, as compared to, well, $700. So someone got these early, but in the tissue we have Jordan 1 patent leather Bred. These, ladies and gentlemen, I've had my eye on since I saw the first photos, saw the first videos about them, and they are out in Japan. They are on the sneakers app for December 30th, and I believe that's the same as in the States. However, they did have a drop for exclusive access. Now, I did not get exclusive access. In fact, I felt very much like I did when they were doing the exclusive access for the Off-White Dunks, as evidenced by this cartoon, which is just a perfect capture of my emotions about that. Once again, I didn't get it for this, so I did pay resale. Thankfully, I didn't pay $700 resale, but these were not cheap either way. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a really, really pretty shoe. I know there's a lot of varying opinions about patent leather, but I kind of dig it, honestly. I have several patent leather pair of shoes, and one of my favorites is the Air Force One Taiwans. Those are patent leather. I'm a big fan of that pair of shoes. It's one of my favorite pair of shoes that I own. You can't go wrong with this colorway. It is just gorgeous, and yeah. These are just pretty darn incredible. I'm really happy with these. There is that metal Jordan hang tag right there. It's actually like heftier in terms of weight than I expected. This is a beautiful pair of shoes, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm happy I got an early pair to show off to you. And, well, I mean, in my collection and for the toe. They do come with the red laces as well. And that's pretty cool. I think I'm going to switch out and do the red laces because I really like that look in particular. Another thing I should talk about for your information, for those of you who are looking to cop in the States, they may have done the exclusive access by the time that this video drops, but they did it in Japan, so in all likelihood, exclusive access will happen in America as well. Also, be advised that there seems to be a relatively high stock. I know that was rumored, but it appears to actually be true because as of last looking on Sneaker Dunk, which is Japan's resale website, they have StockX here, but Sneaker Dunk is really the main one in this country. And Sneaker Dunk has 99 plus pairs available of these in 9.5 size, nearly 80 pairs available in size 10. So like pairs for sale on the resale market, there's quite a few. So I will say that the stock does seem to be relatively high and people are getting them and wanting to move them in the resale market. So just be advised of that. I think it's going to be a much sought after and hyped shoe no matter what, but it looks like it may be not so difficult to get your hands on it, and if you pay resale, it's not going to be that ridiculous. So that's good news. But ladies and gentlemen, I don't know, what do you think? 2 pickups, Jordan 1, patent Breds, Jordan 1, Bordeaux. Let's take a look at them side by side. I mean, this colorway is gonna win. That's just a given. Can't say anything about that. But in terms of what I'm gonna wear and enjoy, they're both fantastic, and these are 2 pairs of shoes that I'm really looking forward to putting on my feet, going out in public, and getting some looks maybe. I think they are both shoes that are going to be really good looking on feet and definitely easy to style overall. Okay, take a look. What do you think? Between the two, which ones appeal to you? Which ones speak to you? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. I know I'm just kind of standing here gushing about these two pairs of shoes, but the colorways are dope. They are really well executed pairs of shoes. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.